Good morning, everyone. You're here with the Traveling Real Estate Agents. We are standing in Ramsey, Minnesota, and came across this Burlington Northern Santa Fe crossing, and there was a freight train coming, but I don't know, it seems to have slowed down out there. I was hoping we could get some good footage of the engine going by. Oh, there goes the cross bucks. Let me turn. Yep, they're going down. So the train is coming. And I can't tell you yet what type of engine. It looks like one of their big GP 50s, but I can't tell yet. It's too far out. It's going to be a while as slow as that train's going. To already trip these cross. Oh, there's another one coming from this way. We'll get this one then. Here it comes. I don't know if you can hear me, but quite a mix of car types. Fuel containers, grain, there's a grain car, box cars, open gondolas, the whole works. That's pretty cool. We've got another train waiting to the west to come through. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I just wanted you to see that. Here comes the ends. There is loud standing by it. Traveling Real Estate Agents are over and out. We're going out to sell a house.